It's our guide as we go through to our journey. Recognize that a letter can be used to represent a specific unknown value or a variable. We have to simplify expressions by substituting particular values. Wow. And of course, generalize using algebraic statements and gave a sense of how the value of the expression changes. It's really challenging. I know you can do it. Start now. Yeah. Suppose you have this bar model. And of course, you are asked to write symbol to represent the relationship on what is represented in this bar model using only addition and subtraction. Three representation. Oh, you have already the clue there. X plus 7 minus x equals 2. Now, our variable is x, and it's 7 minus any number that we can substitute to x that will result to 2. Yes, easy. It's 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So we have now, if x in this one is 5, 7 minus the x, 5 equals 2. Correct! Yes! And last is 7 minus 2 equals x. It's 5. Simple arithmetic on this left side of the equal sign. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So our x is 5. We move forward now. On this one, x plus 2 equals 7. From the representation, the relationship of the bar model, we did that a while ago. Now we have to arrange this one. What will be this symbolic form be written into the language or in words? This is scrambled. You have to arrange this one. I'll give you time to think of the whole sentence. Will be there is no such word in that sentence mentioning x. How will you do that then? Okay, let's try. We have the 2, yes, correct, we have 2. 2. So 2. And then 7. Okay, is 7. So this is the 1, is 7. Sum is sum, the result of the 2. So add, addition. Sorry. is in a week. Which of the following shows a relationship between the number of days in D and the number of weeks in W? A. 7D equals W. B. 7W equals D. What is the answer? Timer starts now. I'll give you 10 seconds. Will that be enough? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. We know that there are in 1 week of 7 days. In 1 week of 7 days. Who says the correct answer is A? Who says the correct answer is B? Okay. The correct answer is letter B. Yes, it's letter B. Are you tricked? Take note. 1 week is equivalent to 7 days. So we have now, let's say, this one, letter A, 7. What if I have what if I will make the D is, if D was 7. Let's see, what if D equals 7? So 7 times 7 equals 49, which is wrong, right? So here we have this 7. If this 7 is equivalent to 1 week, 1 equals D. That is 7 equals D. Of course, so 1 week equals 7 days. Yes, that's it. Okay, kindly. Oh, it's your turn now. It's level 2. There are 12 months in a year. Which of the following shows the relationship between the number of months, M, and the number of years, Y? So, comment your answer in the box on this post. You write an expression in symbolic form to represent each of the relationship. 2 different numbers add to 10. Oh my God. What will be the 2 numbers? And the other one, 2 numbers are 10 apart on the number line. Oh! Next, this is the child's question. Richie is 36 years older than Mary. Which of the following correctly shows the relationship between Richie's age R and Mary's age N M? So you have two choices, R plus 36 equals M, or B, M plus 36 equals R. Let's explain that one after you have shown your answer. So see you next week. Don't forget to comment your answer. Bye-bye! Congratulations! See you next session. Our topic chat will be more challenging. Bye-bye!